In this quick guide, I'll be showing how to complete Vondel Investigation for White Lotus. In this, we need to go into Vondel with a shadow company laptop, find and take the Russian hard drive from the graveyard in Vondel, and finally use the laptop to upload Russian hard drive to the shadow company at an upload station. This mission is relatively simple. The most difficult part is finding a shadow company laptop. Now, in order to actually find this, you can grab this from the second floor on the Ashika Science Center, where you can grab the shadow company laptop. There are probably other spawn locations, but that's probably the simplest. I covered this in a previous guide. You'll be going to the town center, then the Ashika Science Center on the second floor. Just above the staircase, you'll find the laptop on a countertop. Now, you'll need to make sure that it's in your inventory as such, and now that we have it, we can go ahead and deploy to Vondel. So we'll need to find and take the Russian hard drive from the graveyard in Vondel. Alright, so now that we're on Vondel, we'll need to head to the graveyard in the bottom left of the vault. Right about there is where we'll find the hard drive hiding in the graveyard. It's very easy to find, so it should really not be a challenge at all. Alright, so I'm heading straight for the southwest corner of the graveyard here. Behind this little square building in the very far corner, we should find it. Sneaking across here, right behind this building, we find the Russian hard drive. Now we just need to find a point to upload it at. There are quite a few of these. Alright, so there are many upload locations. One of them is simply at the very top of the castle, and it's probably one of the best ones to go to as I am currently being hunted, so it's nice and out the way. Obviously, you just need to find any old one and go and upload your data. Obviously, there are many online maps to find information about where to find these locations. So I'm heading across to this one here. We need to get into this castle, which I forget how to do. I think there's a zipline here. I'll take that USB. That there is. So taking this back zipline all the way up, at the very top here, we should be able to climb up even further into this far northwest tower. And we have an upload station right here. So let's go ahead and punch in the Russian hard drive and bibbidi bobbidi boop. We should now be done with the mission as soon as we're done typing here, and the upload completes in just a few moments. I think we need to be standing nearby it. And there we go. We've now finished Vondel Investigation. Super simple. Anyways, it's about it for this quick guide, so thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.